Real estate news, our inventory's up. It's been climbing over the last couple months. Just a couple months ago, we had about 200 less active units for sale in Santa Clarita Valley. The speed of which those listings are being absorbed, though, hasn't changed much since the end of last year. That would have been 2025. So as we're past the middle of May, today, May 17th, we are watching as real estate's continuing to move, but just not as fast of a pace that we had hoped. Now, what's ended up happening is those interest rates, because of the economic world and what's happening out there with the wars and the oil and the fuel, it's affecting those interest rates. Right now, a lot of people don't have a lot of confidence in the 10-year bond, so they're not out there buying those hand over fist, and that is the direct impact consolation prize for interest rates. They happen to go up. Now, when the world gets more settled, hopefully it will sometime soon, then people are going to start buying in to the 10-year bond. Hopefully those mortgage rates are going to go down. Also, from what I understand, there's a new Fed chair. I believe that's been confirmed. Once he takes in, maybe that's going to make some economic adjustments as well. We'll have to keep our eye on it. But when you want to see what's happening here in the local valley, all you have to do is go to sellersonlyagent.com/blog. There's lots of information there for both sellers and buyers. And for you buyers out there, just a quick word of advice. I did a couple of videos recently about the investigations and inspections you should be doing up front, even before writing a contract on a property, if in fact you're able to. Now, sometimes time is of the essence. You do have a cancellation period. In most cases, if the market's super hot, sometimes people write offers without including any kind of a contingency period. So, I mean, they're on the hook for that deposit immediately right away, right after escrow opens. That's a sticky place to be, especially if you're not really sure what the house entails besides your first glance. You haven't had a chance to hire inspectors. You haven't had a chance to read the disclosures. Maybe there was a quadruple, triple murder, suicide. Is that 12? Anyway, I don't know if that even is a thing. But in some cases, right, that's part of the disclosure process. If somebody died in the property, maybe you're not good with that, seeing that on the disclosures. So if you are going out there writing offers without any kind of a contingency period, investigation period, inspection period, yeah, you might want to have a talk with your agent and find out why that is. And maybe the market is causing that kind of a scenario. But even when the market was the hottest out here in Santa Clarita, not so many years ago, we did see a lot of people writing offers completely removing all of their contingencies out of the gate because they just had to buy the house. They wanted to get it. And in some cases, those people actually went to look at the property with a home inspector. We saw that on a couple different occasions as well. So there's more than one way to kind of skin this thing if you're looking to do that, if you're looking to move rather quickly. But right now, that really isn't the market currently. For your sellers out there, what's most important for you right now as we breach past the halfway point in May is making sure that when you're doing valuations on your property, you get that correct. Now, you can go online and punch in your property address, but understand once you do, your property address, even absent your name, your email address, and any other personal information, once you go in to make that online inquiry, your property becomes a target. The AI systems out there that are monitoring that within Zillow, within Redfin, within Realtor.com, within all the syndication sites. And I know some of those are Realtor sites, but I think loyalty is with a pocketbook and greenbacks more than anything else. So your information then all of a sudden is going to get sent or tabulated in some way, put in some system, and you're going to be followed up with. And in fact, you'll probably see all of your other social media outlets start to light up with real estate types of ads and marketing. Focus right at you. Find that local agent that has maybe a different kind of a view, different kind of a strategy. You can go to sellersonlyagent.com. I would be honored, and I am Connor with Honor. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this real estate update, May 17th. And today I'm 57. How exciting. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.